good one on
Here we go.
You ready? Go fetch it!
Woohoo!
Good boy! Come on, Ryder, get it! Good boy!
I keep away now.
Good boy, Ryder.
Where's your toy? Where is it? Go.
Oh,
Ready?
I'm gonna throw it. Oh, Melinda's gonna throw it.
Here, you can do it.
Ready? You gotta go fetch it. Go fetch it. Good boy, Ryder.
One of these days we'll be like, oh, he's a Ryder when he was just a little tiny puppy. You know, now he's 70 pounds.
Yikes. You can video my butt.
Oh, no, I'm not. Oh, wait. Yep, your butt was in there. Okay, it's not anymore. What a pretty dog. So beautiful.
Like I got a big fish on the line.
Get it, Ryder, get it.
Good dog.
He is a very good dog.
Ready?
Go fetch it.
Where'd he go?